Well guys, it's been probably a month since I've done a selling sessions at the market, and I am in my brand new truck. If you guys didn't see the other day, I did purchase one of my dream trucks. I'm not gonna say my dream truck because my ultimate dream truck is a lifted diesel F250, but we gotta start somewhere. I did get a F150, and it's a huge difference. I put all my bins in the bed of the truck. With my Honda, I think I could fit about 3, maybe 4 Costco black bins. In this truck, I could fit at least 10 bins. Like, it's crazy. I think I put 8 bins in the back today. I didn't bring many shoes today. I brought a lot of clothes. I brought a lot of household stuff too. Like, I brought Bose speakers, skateboards, a lawn chair. If I'm trying to make this move in Colorado in March, I have to start selling some stuff, you know. I just basic stuff that I don't use anymore that's just been sitting. I had a skate deck that I've literally had for 4 years. I listed it on Mercari for $150. It sold for $120. The guy messaged me after and was like, yo, I'll give you $200 for it. I was like, you know, karma's a bitch. I'm not gonna do that. It's already sold. So I just have so much money on just stuff sitting around my house that I had no idea. I listed a Patagonia, a vintage Patagonia fleece for $120. It sold full price. I probably could have listed for $150, $200, but it's like I have so much cash just sitting there. So that's the reason why I brought a lot of stuff. And obviously with this truck, I can bring a lot of stuff. Even in my back seat, I didn't even fill my back seat. My back seat literally only has a rolling rack. I do have my subwoofer. Now, this swap shop flea market does do audio. I'm not sure if I'm gonna let them do my subs. I do need to get subs for this truck. In my Honda, I had 2 12s, which I have in the back. And what I'm planning on doing is taking the subs from that box and putting it into a box that fits in my truck. Obviously, I can't use that box for this truck, so that'll probably be in a different video. I am gonna be posting truck videos, I think at 4 p.m. My regular videos are at 8 p.m. so that way it doesn't disrupt anything, and that way I can post as many truck videos as I want, and you know, it doesn't take away from the thrifting. But enough talking. It's currently 5:56. The market opens at 7. So let's hope we do some good sales. There's not many sellers today. It is a Saturday, it's not Sunday, but tomorrow said it was gonna be raining, so that's the reason why I came today. I don't have any hopes for a $1,000 day. I don't have hopes for an $800 day. I have hopes for a $200, $300 day. You know, a nice quick Saturday. Probably leave here around noon. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's selling sessions. Let's get it. Well, first day selling at the swap with the new truck. And man, it makes such a difference having this entire bed filled with stuff versus having a small ass car. I'm gonna start taking out the rolling racks. These speakers are in here, and then I gotta get 2 tables also. So this is the setup we're working with. We got some jerseys, some towels, a little shoes, denim, some bags, and then like household stuff. Some jackets over here. Skateboards, some lawn chair, and then just a few t-shirts and jackets over here. Not much stuff, but let's see. There's like literally no vendors today, it seems like. I don't know why.
Ultra Boost?
Huh?
Put online some Ultra Boost?
Yeah.
For like 15 each. I mean, they go for like 80, 90.
Yeah, I don't know. Tomorrow it's supposed to be raining, and that's the reason why I came today, is because...
I'm not coming no more, because it says 60-70%.
Yeah, so it's like, fuck, I'm just gonna come today.
Yeah. I didn't come on Thursday for that same reason. It rained until like 8 o'clock and then it stopped.
Yeah.
I was like, fuck.
I brought a lot of like household shit today, just to clear out a bunch of shit. Yeah. Trying to in March.
They're just trying to get rid of a lot of shit.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this was hard. I got them for personal, but they fit a little bit small. 60 for the set.
What's up with these towels?
10 each. It's not for sale. I just had to pull it out. 20, 15 if you want both, 30 for both.
Yeah, these are fine.
What do you want? How much? 60 is a good deal. They go for like 200. After I sell here, I'm gonna take that subs, and I'm gonna see if I can get a truck box and get it installed here.
These are brown though. If they were black, those don't work brown. If those are black, those are fire.
Yeah. No, I got them for myself. They're too small.
What size are you? Oh, yeah, you
12.
I forgot.
Yeah.
Because I wear like a 10.5 left.
Yeah. No, otherwise I was planning on keeping them for Colorado.
You know what you missed, bro? Last Sunday, this dude had my $100 back on. I tried to off the back of some Jamaican guy offered him $100 straight up, right?
Yeah.
I was prepared to offer him like $200 for that shit, but I started at 100.
Yeah.
He fucked me with some Jamaican guy. He just like started cursing me out as soon as I walked up to him, and I was like, I compliment because I don't like, well, like, hey, let me buy your shirt. I'd be like, hey man, nice shirt. Where'd you get that from? Like,
Yeah,
like,
you make
t-shirts or
conversation.
something. Yeah, you know, you see me do this.
Yeah,
shit
of
before.
course.
Yeah, so I was like, yo, bro, that's a fucking crazy shirt. Some Jamaican guy. He immediately was like, fuck you. If I sell it to you, I only have one. Like,
You know why? Is how much you want to pay?
No, I think I want to price single.
Huh?
I want to price on that single.
Okay. If you want, take it for 40. I just want to get rid of it.
Yeah, so that shit was hilarious, bro. I got a photo of it. I'll show you in a minute. But, bro, that was probably like the craziest shirt I seen in a minute. And I was like, because I looked online, you couldn't even find that shirt online.
Yeah.
It was the early 2000s one, but it was like, bro, it was sick.
Yeah, but that means that like one of the kids around here probably like came up and like
For sure.
was like, yo, let me get that.
Yeah. That's what I already figured, because then I sent my boy to try to buy it, and he's like, why do all these kids keep trying to ask for my shirt? And I was like, oh, that shit's hilarious.
Perfect. Thank you.
You are this.
Have a good weekend. Happy holidays. 20. Since you got the other one, I'll do 15. I didn't bring much vintage today. I've been clearing out ever since the past few months.
Right.
Good morning.
What else you guys do? You don't have any phones or laptop?
No. I usually don't have electronics. Those are just, I haven't used them.
I've been looking for a pair of these in my size, but so.
Yeah.
Yeah. You asked me.
I was asking 30. I could do 25.
Yeah, I'm on this side.
The other one.
I think I watched your video, by the way.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the support.
For sure, bro.
Yeah, I haven't been on here for a month. I just got back from Colorado, and I usually come on Sundays, but tomorrow it said it's gonna be raining all day, so
Yeah, I saw that.
so I
It was
figured.
supposed to be raining this morning, honestly.
Yeah, luckily we kind of lucked out, but yeah, I figured let me just come today while I can make a couple videos out of it.
Tees today, like vintage.
No, so I literally just did a 1,000-piece bulk sale the other day. Yeah, and I literally cleared out all my vintage. I'm trying to move in Colorado in March, so I'm literally just trying to like sell everything till then. You know?
Damn.
So yeah, sadly I don't. You don't know about cards, sports cards, Pokemon or anything?
I don't know nothing about it. I used to be into it like back in the day.
Yeah, well that's, my binder is from back in the day. Like I have an old Pokemon binder from like when I was a kid, like first collection and shit like that. So I think I just have to find like a card store.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Not many vendors out today.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I think the rain.
Yeah.
Like that, it said on the forecast.
And I guess because it's getting closer to Christmas time, holidays, maybe people are out of town and shit for.
Your bounces again?
Yeah, of course. Actually, maybe I'll put these out. It's probably worth more than the cards, to be honest. No, yeah, you could check out these jerseys. My bad. Let me put this out. Oops. Like kids or Indians. I ran out of hangers, so.
No, it's all good. Any other jerseys down there?
No, that's basically it on the jerseys.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, no worries.
What you got? What you got? All right, bro. Take it
I bring you. Trying to think that's basically everything. Thank you. You can keep the hanger if you want.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
The boots I was asking 20.
It's nice.
Yeah, they're nice. So today's selling sessions was super short. I actually left at 10 a.m. Usually I stay till noon, sometimes 1, even 1:30 or so. But today I was just, you know, quick in and out. We have a total of $550, which again, from 8 to 10, that's basically $200 an hour in the sense. Now I actually have to go to the dealership that I got this truck because there's actually a chip in my windshield. So I'm gonna see if they're gonna go fix that because I bought this truck 2 days ago. They should absolutely repair it. So I'm gonna go do that. I'm gonna go fix it up. Then I'm gonna head back home. But hope you guys did enjoy the selling sessions. Smash the thumbs up button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget guys, let's get it.